Hello kids, welcome back to our e-class of general knowledge. Today we will study about land art. So let's begin the chapter with me, your general knowledge teacher Pinky Mole. Today we are going to learn about land art. Page number 46 and 47. Earth. We all live on the earth. Earth is made up of land and water. A large part of the earth is covered by land. At some places, the land is too high. At some places, too low. And at some places, it is dry. This natural beauty of land is called landform. Surface of the earth is not even. There are many landforms on the earth. They are mountains, hills, desert, island, valley, ocean, river, waterfall, etc. Now let us have a look at them in detail. Hills and mountains. At some places, the land is high. These places are called hills. And the very high hills are called mountains. The tops of high mountains have snow. The snow melts into water. The water flows down as rivers. The rivers originate from the mountains and flow to the sea. Desert. At some places, the land is covered with sand. A large sand replaced with very little water called a desert. Island. A piece of land that has water all around it is called an island. Valley. A valley is a land between the mountains or hills. The land of valleys is also very fertile. Waterfall. A waterfall is a place in a river where water spills suddenly downward. Waterfalls are known for their beauty and awesome power. Ocean. An ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers 3/4 of Earth's surface. We have 5 oceans on the planet and they are all attached to each other. I hope you all have understood this topic well. Now let's start the exercise related to this topic. Read the clues and write the names of the landforms using the clue box. First question. I am the tallest landform on earth. I have a tip called a peak. I am the tallest landform on earth. Yes, mountain. M O U N T A I N, mountain. Second question. I am a large, dry and hot area of land with little rainfall. That is desert. D E S E R T, desert. Third question. I am lower than the mountains but higher than flat land. That is hills. H I L L S, hills. Fourth question. I am a low area between two mountains or hills. I am V-shaped. That is valley. V A L L E Y, valley. Fifth question. I am a large body of salt water. I cover the largest part of the earth. That is ocean. O C E A N, ocean. Sixth question. I am a large body of flowing water. I empty into a sea or ocean. That is river. R I V E R, river. Seventh question. I am a river that falls from a mountain or rock. That is waterfall. W A T E R F A L L, waterfall. And last question. I am a piece of land that has water on all sides. That is island. I S L A N D, island. Moving to next question. Find out the names of. Number 1. One famous mountain peak, Mount Everest. Number 2. One famous ocean, Pacific Ocean. Number 3. One famous desert, Thar Desert. Number 4. One famous river, Ganga River. Thank you.